Yes, mommy.
Hi, good looking. I'm gonna take a picture. Where are you?
Sister.
Wait, just hold on a second.
This is our sister.
Is that your sister? Where is she?
Right there.
Can Daddy turn on the light so you don't look so crazy in here? Is that your sister? They're over here. Is this who this is? Look,
I don't have this.
you can have that.
I can't open it.
Of course you can't open it.
So who's that, buddy?
Who's over here?
Your mom.
Can you come see? We gotta sing to her.
I opened it.
Yeah, you can open that. Come here, come here.
Want to go see your sister and I'll open the chips?
Come here. Come on, move. Daddy will move this so you can see her. Hey? Do you see her? Who's that?
Your little baby. That's your sister.
This is Dylan.
She's just had a big poop. Yeah, she just had it. Just
But
changed.
where's the diaper?
Where's the diaper? I put it in the garbage.
Oh,
What's
she's
that?
crying.
Oh. Well, that's not where it is, but
I think it's put away in the other garbage, buddy.
the other garbage.
What do you think?
What do you think of her? Do you know her name?
What's
Did Dad tell you her name?
What did I tell you her name was?
Baby.
No, that's your name. What's her name? Sister, that's right. That's her name. What's one of her names? What about Piper? Is that her name? Can you say Piper?
But he Tommy.
She's not in my tummy no more. She's right here. She grew big enough to not be in my tummy.
Well, I gotta poop.
Well, because now she's not in my tummy, so she's got to poop now. Do you want to come see her? Do you want me to turn on?
Hey, the picture was Sissy.
Yeah. Okay, Mom's going to turn that off. Dad will keep recording. You can see your sister. Look.
She doesn't cough on him. Cough on him.
Can't see her.
You can't see her? Look at how lip
There's
jump.
no pants on.
She doesn't have any pants on. Look at. Wow. She's got a little tiny diaper right there. Is that your sister?
Well, I got this.
Why does she have one of those? Because Mommy has one too. So that she doesn't get lost.
I got this.
You had one too. I'll show you when we get home. Yours. I had one for you too.
But
Do you want to come touch her?
no, open these, Daddy.
Oh, okay.
Open these.
Do you
Okay.
want to come give her a kiss?
We'll give her a kiss and I'll open these, okay?
I don't want this.
You want to give her a kiss on her forehead?
You can give her a
Really
kiss.
like that.
Let's give her a nice little kiss on her forehead. Then we'll have them chips. Just try it. Oh, that's nice.
That was beautiful. Thank you.
Okay, we'll have some chips now.